everyone, welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Saturday night and it's raining, and I will going to Mabalacat resto bar called Modern Hapag Kainan, and I will go with my cousins there, all cousins, boy and girl cousins, and Leon will going to take video in Walking Street, and Leta I will go to Fields alone to go with meet with Leon there. So let's go. And also I cannot take some talk there in the bar because maybe it's so loudy or I cannot do it.
Friend lang mo.
Friend.
Kilala lang.
Ay, tao ng bayad nyo.
Kakayakin ko pa lang din eh, makapat.
Hello po. Oo, tapos dito sa gilid din. Hello mga bossy.
Sabi sa'yo, alam mo.
Makautos ko na para binili yung buhay ko. Syempre guys, ayan, so habang wala kaming request at wala kayong sinesend na request, we will give our line-up songs sa mga gustong mag-request. Ayan namin yan, pwede kayong mag-request guys. And sa mga jammers natin, uulitin po namin ha, ayan, on our third set. Ayan, so sa mga gustong mag-jam, pwede kayong mag-jam mamaya. So, standby lang kayo.
Yes. Oy, may baby silang kasama. Asaan?
Oh my God, lasingin na yan.
Ano dapat painom sa kanya?
Gatas!
Gatas na
Na may gin.
No, may chinoy.
Taray na, sarot na ka. Enjoy the night guys, ayan. So by this time,
Let's give you OPM song, sir.